Crypto investment is a must in America, and today I am explaining you which crypto application is best for investing in top 3. Before starting the video, hello everyone, my name is Ankur Malhotra. Welcome back to your channel Fin with Ankur, and this is episode 53 of free financial education for the people of United States. The three applications are Coinbase, Kraken Pro, and Robinhood. Let's dive into the topic and carefully think and listen to what I am teaching you. Before starting the video, there is a disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor, I just educate the people. Let's get started. Option number one is Coinbase, the safest, the simple giant. Let's talk about the Coinbase first. Look, if you are a beginner, your priority should be zero headaches, high security, and a clean interface. And Coinbase is all of them. They will charge you around 1.5 to 2% on simple conversations. Conversions hurts a bit, but if you are new to crypto investment, that will be okay for you. Option number two is Kraken and Kraken Pro. If you are looking a never hack to loss of fund or proof of reserves. Now, if you are not a complete beginner, but if you want to trade frequently, explore over 200 different altcoins and keep your fee rock bottom from day one, then Kraken and Kraken Pro is your choice. They charge as low as 0.16 to 0.26% as conversion charges. Number three is Robinhood Crypto. If you feel like that you are failing something in your life, you should remember Robinhood Crypto is there for you. If you want dedicated crypto wallet app, you are a simple guy who already owns some Apple stocks, some Tesla stocks, and an index fund. You just want a little bit of Bitcoin to your portfolio. For you, Robinhood Crypto is an absolute no-brainer. They completely space by commission-free crypto trading. Let's be accurate. The thing is, life is free. They make money on spread, but even with that is significantly cheaper than standard Coinbase. Plus, in 2026, Robinhood is giving amazing perks like an IRA match on retirement contribution and a clean single dashboard experience. No charges at all. These are the top 3 crypto platforms you can try in America. And see you tomorrow. Please subscribe to my channel.